Hello, how are you, ma'am? How are you?
My
Say
name is Ganya Singh.
उसमें देखो. Your name is Gania Singh.
हाँ.
You study in which school? St. Joseph's Convent.
ये हमको नहीं बोलना.
So, in which class do you study? Upper KG.
Upper KG.
Yeah. What all do you know, ma'am? Which is your favorite hero and heroine? Okay, let me ask the next question. Which is your favorite Disneyland? Do you want to go to see circus and mela? Do you want to go to see circus and mela?
Yes.
In the evening you want to go to see circus and mela?
हाँ.
When should we go? Tell me. Tell me when should we go?
हाँ. क्या?
We should go today evening itself, because today evening Disneyland is there in Harding Park. Disneyland is there in USA also, Mexico, many places, California. There are lots of places where we can go in Disneyland and enjoy the swings, the roller coaster rides. Won't you enjoy the roller coaster rides, lady?
हाँ.
Roller coaster, zoom, 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 zoom. Will you enjoy?
हाँ.
You will enjoy.
हाँ.
What all will you enjoy? What food you like? Chips, Uncle Chips, or Cadbury Dairy Silk, Cadbury Dairy Milk. What you like? और रोचा. कुछ बोलना भी पड़ता है मैडम. तो बोलिए आपको कौन सी चॉकलेट अच्छी लगती है? चिप्स अच्छी लगती है. चिप्स कहीं चॉकलेट होती है? चिप्स तो चिप्स होती है. कैडबरी डेरी मिल्क सिल्क मैंने आपको कितनी दिए थे ये बताओ कितनी? आई गेव यू 3 कैडबरी सिल्क बिग वन costing more than 1000 rupees. However, today what I gave you? Today what I gave you? Chips I gave you. I gave you chips and I gave you 15 rupees. Yes or no? Say him.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Say him.
Yes.
Very true. You are a very smart and a very beautiful girl. Very pretty girl. We will end up this video in 5 minutes. 2 minutes from now. Now, would you like to ask me anything? आप मुझसे कुछ पूछना चाहेंगी मैडम?
नहीं.
नहीं, कुछ तो पूछिए. मेरे शादी के बारे में पूछिए. हाँ बोलिए.
क्या?
कि आप किससे शादी करिएगा?
आप किससे शादी करिएगा?
वो जो लड़की नहीं दिखाए थे, वो जो बेला हदीद जो लड़की दिखाए थे, उसी से आई वॉन्ट टू मैरी बेला हदीद. वी आर इन टच विथ ईच अदर. वी कॉन्फैबुलेट एंड वी इंगेज and going forward I believe we'll be able to marry her. Is that okay with you? Would you allow me to marry a फिरंग? आप बताइए, क्या आप मुझे वो उस लड़की से शादी करने देंगे?
हाँ.
क्यों करने देंगे? आपको उस लड़की सुंदर लगती है?
हाँ.
आपसे ज्यादा सुंदर है क्या?
हाँ.
आपसे ज्यादा सुंदर तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता है. बात है सो वेरी क्लियर. You are the most beautiful girl I have ever met. You are the most charming lady I have ever met. Nobody can be even an iota, as a little bit pretty as you. Nobody can be as pretty as you, because you are the. I give you a rose for a rose because you are a rose. Say, are you a rose? Are you a rose? Are you a rose? Are you a rose?
हाँ.
She is a rose. She is a rose and she is very pretty. She is very pretty and she is her younger sibling. She is also there to have a dialogue with us. Nonetheless, I am rather inclined to talk to this lady whose name is Ganu Singh. She is studying in St. Joseph's Convent, and later she would be pursuing media studies, perhaps in Mumbai or maybe in London. That is her future plans. Money has already been planned as to how would the money be arranged to send this lady to her father and me are working together. We'll send her to UK to do media studies, post which she'll get a very nice job. She'll marry a very beautiful husband, and she will live a happy life all through her time. Is that okay with you, ma'am?
Yes.
Then say yes.
Hmm.
Then say like this.
हाँ.
So there is this.
हाँ.
No, say yes like this. Yes like this.
हाँ.
Yes like this बोलो ना.
Yes, like this.
ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे दो उंगली ऐसे करो, ऐसे ऐसे. Yes. Now that is very fine. We will now upload. That's very nice of you. She has been patient enough to sit with me for 6 minutes, and that's not a small deal. It's a big deal. She's been there listening to me patiently, although she's busy fiddling with something, fiddling with this thing. She's busy fiddling with this thing, and she is busy. Her sister is not. Her sister
आओ
is.
मेरे पास.
Sister is so pretty, and sister is कहाँ गया तुम्हारा फोटो कहाँ गया? So she is so pretty, so nice, so beautiful. Both her sisters are so pretty, so nice, so beautiful. I will take them. I have already taken. We went for a surfing. We went on a boat ride in the Ganges NIT Ganga Ghat. We went for a boat ride. उधर देखो, उधर देखो. We went for a boat ride, and then we enjoyed the surfing, the motorbike thing. We enjoyed, and we had a grand gala time. And let her sleep in rest. Don't move so much. Be still. उतना मूव मत करो, थोड़ा चुप रहो. पाउटिंग करके दिखाओ तो. देखो मेरी बेटी को पाउटिंग करने भी आती है. She is my niece. She is not my. She is my first cousin's daughter. Therefore, and she is very close to me. She is very close to me. Therefore, she is like a daughter to me, and I am her chacha, uncle. I am an old uncle. However, do I look that old? I believe I don't look that old. Perhaps I would soon finish this video because it's already